BlackRock, the world's largest asset management company, has taken a significant step into the cryptocurrency market by filing an application for a Bitcoin Spot Exchange Traded Fund (ETF). This move has the potential to reshape the landscape of cryptocurrency investments, offering investors an alternative way to enter the crypto market. In this guide, we'll explore what a Bitcoin ETF is, how BlackRock's eShares Bitcoin Trust could work, its potential benefits, and the impact it might have on the cryptocurrency sector. Understanding Bitcoin ETFs. A Bitcoin ETF is a financial product that allows investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin's price movements without directly owning the cryptocurrency. Instead, investors purchase shares or units of the ETF, which tracks the performance of Bitcoin as an underlying asset. This approach offers several advantages. Regulation. Bitcoin ETFs operate within established financial markets, providing investors with a regulated investment structure. Diversification. ETFs typically hold a basket of assets, allowing for diversification, which can help mitigate risks. Liquidity. ETF shares can be bought and sold daily on traditional stock exchanges, offering investors liquidity and transparency. However, accessibility to Bitcoin ETFs may vary depending on the jurisdiction and legal framework, and investors should carefully consider factors such as fees, tracking precision, and custodian arrangement. BlackRock's eShares Bitcoin Trust. BlackRock applied for a spot Bitcoin ETF known as the eShares Bitcoin Trust on June 15, 2023. This application comes at a time when the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, is taking legal action against major crypto exchanges like Coinbase and Binance. The proposed ETF aims to use Coinbase's custodian services and relies on the CMACF Bitcoin reference rate for price tracking. Unlike existing Bitcoin ETF categories, BlackRock's Spot Bitcoin ETF would create a new category that focuses on the physical ownership of Bitcoin rather than futures contracts. How will BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF work? Compared to futures-based Bitcoin ETFs, which aim to closely track Bitcoin's price, spot-based ETFs are expected to provide better price tracking and potentially lower fees. Futures-based ETFs require ongoing management of futures contracts, with monthly rollovers and position limits. These factors can lead to variations in tracking accuracy as the contract approaches its expiration date. BlackRock's eShares Bitcoin Trust is likely to offer improved price tracking and lower fees compared to existing options, such as ProShares, Bitcoin Strategy, ETF, and Grayscale. Implications of BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF. The introduction of a BlackRock Bitcoin ETF could have several significant effects on the cryptocurrency sector. Increased adoption. BlackRock's involvement in cryptocurrency may attract more institutional and retail investors, lending legitimacy to Bitcoin as an investment. Liquidity and price impact. The ETF's creation may enhance Bitcoin market liquidity and influence its price, as it provides an accessible way for investors to enter the market. Regulatory attention. BlackRock's application highlights the need for clear regulatory frameworks and investor protection in the cryptocurrency sector. Market risk and volatility. The ETF may introduce new market risks and volatility due to sudden sell-offs or significant institutional investments. Ripple effect. Positive news from influential companies like BlackRock can have a positive impact on the broader cryptocurrency market, leading to price increases and increased trading volumes in various cryptocurrencies. When will BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF be approved? The approval of BlackRock's Spot Bitcoin ETF remains uncertain. Experts believe there is a 50% chance of approval, and it may be seen as a positive step by the SEC to maintain its credibility. However, given the SEC's ongoing regulatory efforts in the cryptocurrency space, the timing of approval remains uncertain. Investors should closely monitor developments in this space for potential investment opportunities.
To dive deeper into this topic, watch this next video we created for you. Click here and make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Your journey into financial freedom begins here.